इसलिए पहले खा लिया तब लेके आ रहा था भाई है
Wanna look here?
There's balloon sculpture, bouncy castle, and some game toys to win a special prize. And the camera techniques here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the stage. 7. Reva says I can't. Little more louder. Children, you all can come on the stage. Superb. Alright, Reva, your friends have got a surprise for you. Come stand here in the middle. Alright. Now, Reva, you have to help me decide that who was very loud in wishing you happy birthday. Yes? Will you help me? You want to come here and see all your friends? Where's Kanak? Yes, and you're going to get a prize after this game. Okay, everybody clap for Kanak. And I've got lots and lots of prize. So everybody is going to win something special. And hands up. Hands down. No, you have to do only what Simon says, okay? Simon says hands up. Simon says hands down. So you have to come to me after this round, okay? So you have to do what? Only do what Simon says. Right. Now I'm going to play a song and you all have to dance on it. Also make pairs and dance. Come down. Okay, get down and dance. Come on everyone, collect your chocolate from Reva. On the stage with your mama. And hold your mama and do that action with your mama. Okay? You have to be very, very quick and fast on music. Okay, when the music is on, you and mama and baby will dance. And when music side. Alright, are you ready to dance? And one kissy to mama and baby. Yes? Now let's do some little bit of dance. Come on, mamas and mamas, you all have to dance with your babies. Superb. Hold. 1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Feel ready, start. Feeling behind, feel the dance. I love to the fashion, to our sensation, representing nation.
Are you very nice, very nice. Okay, the next action, forehead to forehead. The next action, elbow to touch elbow. Very good, superb. Come on. Yes, the next action is one leg and thighs. Kids, you all can climb on Mama's thighs. You all can sit on the chair also. Very good. Okay, superb, superb. Lovely, lovely. Sit around. You all stay wherever you all are. Okay. Keep the chocolate in your hand, Mama. Snatch. I will call out certain actions. You all have to do that, okay, children? Okay, mamas? And when I say snatch, you all have to snatch. And everybody will play fair, okay? No cheating. When I say snatch, you have to snatch. So everybody's got knees, toes, head, shoulder, head. Children, you need to come up for head. Head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder. Children, one step behind, one step back. Children, one step back. Children, one step forward. Kids, one step behind. Kids, one step forward. Toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, toes. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, knees. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, toes, toes. Head, head, come up. Snatch. So who's got the chocolate? Very good. Superb. Thank you, Mama. You all can settle down now.
मकतूल जिगर कातिल है नजर एक माह जबी एक नूर नगी रब की रुबाई क्या है तबाही गर्दन जुराही बोली इलाही अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी खायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया भैया बंदूक दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया भैया अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी खायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया भैया बंदूक दिखा दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया भैया देख दराजी बंदा नमाजी खेल के बाजी खाम खा अब ठहरा न किसी काम का वीर का कोई शेर सुना के झूठ लगा कर करूंगा मैं तेरी चुगली करूंगा हाँ तेरी चुगली करूंगा अंगूठी में कैद तेरी उंगली करूंगा मैं तेरी चुगली करूंगा हाँ तेरी चुगली करूंगा फादाजी के पास तेरी चुगली करूंगा मैं तेरी चुगली करूंगा हाँ तेरी चुगली करूंगा अंगूठी में कैद तेरी उंगली करूंगा मैं तेरी चुगली करूंगा हाँ तेरी चुगली
Children, are you all excited for the puppet show? Yes. So can we have all the children in front to see? Oh, lovely! A sword. I see flowers also. And what's that? A gun. Close your eyes and don't open your eyes, okay? Till I say. Close your eyes and relax. Yes, settle down. I request all the adults, mamas, papas, please settle down. We're going to start happiness to happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, music. You saw Merlina? Who saw Merlina? Everybody, look who's coming next. Somebody that all of you. Who threw Kachara? She? No Kachara. He's gone. Hey, listen, you know what? Let me put it in my pocket. I don't think I have a pocket. What do I do? I'll keep it here. Chimbu, stop throwing kachara. No more kachara, right? The wicked stepmother's after you. Go, go, she's that side. Don't eat it. Are you? She's not here. She's not here. She's not here. She's not here. Is she here? No. Let me see the apple. Let me see the apple. Oh my goodness me. Should anyone eat that apple? No, we don't want to eat apple. Is she gone? Snow White, please go to the 7 dwarfs. Don't go to the castle. Okay, I think we're safe. Vijay. She's gone to the... Anyone know this song? She's got a veil. Okay, let's have a nice sing song now, okay?
There was a lovely princess, a princess, a princess. There was a lovely princess a long time ago.
Do you know where she lived? Show me a high tower. Wow.
She lived in a high tower, a tower, a tower. She lived in a high tower a long time ago.
Who's coming? Who's coming? The wicked witch. Be careful.
A wicked witch had cast a spell.
Oh,
Cast a spell. A
Magic
wicked witch
powder.
had cast a spell a long time ago.
she's going to sleep. Look at her. She's feeling sleepy.
She fell into a slumber, a slumber, a slumber. She fell into a slumber a long time ago.
Now who's coming riding a horse? Prince.
A handsome prince came riding by, riding by, riding by. A handsome prince came riding by a long time ago.
Now he's going to give it a big kiss. So flying kiss. Come on. All of you.
He kissed the lovely princess, the princess, the princess. He kissed the lovely
She's waking up.
princess a long time ago.
All right. So now it's time to clap for them. Come on.
There was a lovely wedding, a wedding, a wedding. There was a lovely wedding a long time ago.
Say bye.
La 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 la.
Thank you, music. What do we do? Donald Duck has become a frog. Yeah? But this time it's Mickey, so I have an idea. Who's seen the movie of the Frog Prince? We have to kiss the frog and make Mickey Mouse come back. Now, do you think you should be kissed? She's gonna help get Mickey Mouse back. Okay, so all of you call out Froggy. Come on up. Wait. All of you, please. Froggy, come on out. Stop. You have to say stop, then stop. Stop. Okay, big flying kiss. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Froggy, where are you? Stop. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Jerry, you got the wrong mouse. Listen, I have an idea. Say Mickey Mouse Froggy. Mickey Mouse Froggy. Come on out, Mickey Mouse Froggy. Stop. Array, stop. I'll catch you. Mickey Mouse. Oh, no. Whoa, look who we got. Clap for yourselves. Mickey, be very careful. Lot of magic powder. Take her with you. Bye-bye. Okay, now we need to blow the powder away. All of you go, foo. Is it gone? Has it gone? The kachra collection is increasing. Yo, all the kachra has fallen down. Let me keep it here only. Oi, Chimpo, enough. So much kachra he's throwing. Right? Poster of Elsa, right? Can you get us more? We want to see more. We've got Elsa, maybe we'll get Anna, then we'll get Olaf, right? Hey! Who took it? Listen, Pinky, I'm holding on to Anna, but I think your brother by mistake took Elsa. Get it back.
Don't.
Is he there?
Don't. He's not here.
He's not. Are you sure?
Yes.
Shall I catch him with this?
Please. I will not.
Okay, keep it here. Now, all of you, when you see Tom, say no touching. Can you do that for me? Angrily. How do you say? No touching. Exactly. No touching, Tom. Don't let him touch. No touching. Good. Oh, you all are very good. No touching. He said no touching and he still took it. I'm going to be very clever now. Pinky.
See what the hell?
Olaf! Who likes Olaf?
I like Olaf.
Listen. Wow! This is for Pinky. Oh, Pinky is very happy. I think Tom deserves a big clap. Let's clap for Tom.
Bye.
Thank you. And even this poster, Pinky.
Yes, for Pinky.
Thank you. Who's that? Ariel. Hi. Anybody else? Jasmine, say hi. Bye, Jasmine. Thank you for coming. Tiana from the frog, right? Thank you. Melinda. Wow. So many. Sophia. Very good, Reva. Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Hi, Belle. Hi, Belle. Cinderella. Wow. Anyone else? Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. Whoa. All the princesses are here. Who's that? Snow White. Thank you for coming, Snow White. Anybody else? Come here. Chimpo. Look. Hi, Chimpo.
Hi.
Do you know whose birthday it is today?
It's Reva's birthday.
That's very nice.
I was just cleaning my house. Mama will be so happy.
You clean your house and throw things out of the window.
Then where should I throw it?
He doesn't know where to throw it. Please tell him. Dustbin.
Dustbin?
Yes.
What is that?
A kachre ka dabba.
Dabba?
Yes.
What is a dabba?
What is a dabba? Okay, 1 minute. I have a dustbin. I'll show you mine. This is my little dustbin.
Wow, that's a magic box.
No, it's not. You just press this, put everything inside, and close.
Wow, nice and clean. I like this.
You like this?
Yes, I
But I
do.
have one more. And I'm going to throw it in your clean
No,
house.
no.
How about at Reva's party?
Not here too.
Then where? Look who's here! Look who's here! It's a baby! A baby monkey, darling. I have to tell you, I don't know why everyone's standing. Are you tired of sitting?
Madam,
Then go to the back, right to the back. That way you can stand. You can't stand in the middle. Okay? Ready? This little baby needs to sleep. Who sings nicely here? You sing Rockabye Baby? Who knows the song? You know the song? Rockabye Baby? Okay, I'm holding the baby and we're all going to sing. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, I can help you too.
Hi, birdie.
Hi, birdie.
I am not a birdie. All of you say hi, birdie.
Hi, birdie.
What is wrong with this fellow? Listen, they're not birds, they're children. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Enough mussy. You want to put this baby to sleep?
I'll sing for you.
He knows what song to sing.
I
Oh,
know.
perfect. Let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Apata, pata, apata, pata.
Oi! What apata, apata? That's not the song. We're going to sing.
Dinku chicka dinku jay. Hey, hey, hey.
Listen to me. Rockabye Baby.
Rockabye baby, I
Yeah.
know that song
We'll
too.
sing that. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Rockabye baby on the treetop.
Very nice.
Bam bam bole, masti mein dolai. Bam bam bole, masti mein dolai.
What is wrong with you? We want the baby to sleep, not dance. Soften. Rockabye baby like that. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Rockabye. I can't hear.
On the
Hey!
treetop.
Right in my ear. Listen, enough. We are. Oh, what are you doing? You can't throw things at the puppet. Listen, I have an idea. Why don't we all sing together?
Let's sing
Come on, all of you,
together.
pretend you have a baby and start singing. 1, 2, 3. Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby, cradle and all. At least he finished singing. Let's clap for everybody. Why are you yawning? So much. Enough. Sing one more time. Oh, the baby is still awake. Listen, you need to sing one more time. Sweetie, please sit down, darling. You need to sit. Sit. Okay. Is he yawning still? Buddy, one more time. 1, 2, 3. And good night. And we let the baby sleep later. Bye, baby. Thank you for coming. Because right now, I need a big favor from all of y'all. Who knows how to roar? Loudly. Like a lion? Because we have a problem here. There is a lion who doesn't know how to roar. He loves to dance. Okay? When I tell you to roar, please roar and he will practice. Can we have the music, please? Okay, come on, ready? Come on, sit and clap, come on. Dancing lion in action. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the
You want to dance? Please go behind, no problem. Dance behind.
Lions and tigers. Imagine
Don't
them
forget to
being
roar.
The very best part is what you will be. So roar like the lion.
Squeak like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Squeak like a mouse.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Now roar like a lion.
music. I think enough. Now all of you come and sit and get your ears open because we are going to listen to him roar. That's a dog. That's a dog. We don't want him to bark. We want him to roar. Sit, darling, sit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar. Getting better. 1, 2, 3. Roar. All right, come on, all together. 1, 2, 3. Roar. Give yourselves a big clap. You taught a lion how to roar today. Thank you. Bye-bye. You can help us. Okay, this is my friend the clown. He can't talk. He can only... Arey, 1 minute. He can only... whistle. Okay, I'm going to put this prince inside. We'll call you when we find the shoe. Come here. This is my friend the clown. He can't talk. He can only whistle. And this is his magic wand. Very good. You are starting to understand him. Now tell him his magic words. Tell them. Can anyone guess the magic words? Abracadabra? No. Okay, 1 minute. Say it slowly. Slowly. Okay, very slowly. Okay, say it fast. Ulta pulta. You are an ulta pulta joker. Yeah, but we can't understand you. So can we both say this slowly? 1, 2, 3. I was ready for that. You do it fast, I'll do it slow. 1, 2, 3. Chew magic, chew. Right? So easy. Come on, all of you say it. Chew magic, chew magic. Chew magic, chew. They can help you. You don't want help? He doesn't want help. Are you sure? Okay, we are looking for a Cinderella shoe. Whoa! Oh, I think lights here! Is this Cinderella shoe? What is wrong with you? Cinderella, small, Barbie, pink color. No, yeah. Come on out. Inside. Whoa! We got it, but it's still too big. How big is the Barbie shoe? This big, right? They're so small. So small. Listen, we can help you. Okay, all of you do this and say the magic words. Chew magic, chew magic, chew. Where? Inside? Can I see? I can't see anything. Where is it? Oh my, it's so small. Look at this. So small. Barbie shoe. Call the prince. Prince, we need you to take this and not lose it again. Thank you, Barbie Prince. Bye-bye. What happened? Oh, we have to clap for him. Sorry. Clap. Did you clap for them? Very good. But now we have to go. What no? You want to sing? For whom? She's here in the blue dress. Yeah, you want to sing for her? Sing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Reva. Happy birthday to you. Say yay! Okay, now all of you say bye to all the puppets. Say bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Sit down, please sit down. Monkey. And what?
No moving. Nobody will move. Come on, Simon says. Shh. You all have to do the action softly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
जिम शिम करता हूँ ढिड मेरा लीना नी तू बोलदी है गल्लां जिवें चलदी मशीना नी तू 24 घंटे वेखदी है स्कूबी डूबी डू हले रहंदे तू ना बोली आई लव यू पहले बोल तू बोतल गलियों में पै जावे रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू
ना समझ तू कोका कोला मैं तो विस्की दी बोतल मेरा एक सिप ही है काफी होने को ना शॉट होटल चखना मना है रुकना मना है मुझे पी ले जरा आ तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू तू मेरी हाय दिल की प्यास बुझाना तू मेरी दिन भर की थकन मिटाना कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला
तेरे बारे में तो सबसे सुना है सबको पता है कि तू अप्सरा है मिलती कहाँ है तू कब से खड़ा है आशिक तेरा हाल बेचारा इतना पता है कि कोई गुफा है लेकिन गुफा साली खुला पता है अंदर भी कुछ करती मिलती कहाँ है यारा पीरू मारा मारा खेल लिए शॉट से भी देख लिए स्पॉट से भी हद कहीं भी न लगी हाजी 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 लेकिन मिलेगी तुझे भी मिलेगी मुझे भी मिलेगी होगा चमत्कार मिलेगी सभी को मिलेगी कभी तो मिलेगी सब्र मेरे यार बोला था मैंने सारी बहने आएगी लेने दिल तेरा आए अकेली आए सहेली कैसे भी मिलते जा मिलने ट्रिप सजा के मिलने ट्रिप लगा के जितना करोगा के ना जी क्योंकि मिलेगी तुझे भी मिलेगी मुझे भी मिलेगी होगा चमत्कार मिलेगी सभी को मिलेगी कभी तो मिलेगी सब्र मेरे यार
सांवली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा हुनर तुझे घट घट मैं पी लूं कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू
जिम शिम करता हूँ ढिड मेरा लीना नी तू बोलदी है गल्लां जिवें चलदी मशीना नी तू 24 घंटे वेखदी है स्कूबी डूबी डू हले रहंदे तू ना बोली आई लव यू पहले बोल तू बोतल गलियों में पै जावे रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू